For which range of x is the inequality x cubed minus x squared minus x plus 1 bigger than or equal to 0 satisfied? So, we're going to try and find a common factor of it, and then we're going to factorize it, find the intersection points, and we're going to look at what the curve looks like. So looking at this curve here, let's try and sub some values. Well, actually, in the answers here, we can see that it has 1, 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1. So it would be worth trying 1 or minus 1. So just thinking about putting 1 into it, we'll have 1, minus 1, minus 1, plus 1. So that will be 0. So f of 1 equals 0. So that concludes that x minus 1 is a factor. So if x minus 1 is a factor, I'm going to divide through by x minus 1. So we need an x cubed here. So this is x squared, this is minus x squared. That's fine. Then we need minus x here. So we know that this is minus 1, and then this is 1, and that's all we have. So then we know the curve is, we know it's x minus 1 times x plus 1 times x minus 1. So these are repeated roots, so I'm going to write this as squared here. So if we draw the curve, we know that it intersects at 1 and at minus 1. And if we look at this equation here, we know it goes through here as well. But there's a repeated root at 1, which means it will just touch it. So like this. And it's a positive cubic, so that's what it will look like. So when this is greater than or equal to 0, well, we can see here that for this region, it's all greater than or equal to 0. At point 1, it is 0. So this is when x is bigger than or equal than minus 1, which is E.